Hey guys, and this is my real voice. I know you've seen the video or so this is my real voice. And oh, look at and I hope you like today's short because I couldn't do it on. I don't know what this is because this is my dad's phone, so I can't I can't show his number online because if I have my phone, I will show my joke. I wouldn't show my phone number. I will not definitely. So that's